Cancer and pregnancy. Introduction. Are all tumors cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. If a tumor does not invade tissues and body parts, it is called a benign tumor or non-cancerous growth. Cancer usually does not affect the fetus. Select true or false. Correct. A pregnant woman who has cancer can still give birth to a healthy baby. There are many factors that determine the type of treatment used for cancer. Select true or false. Correct. The type of treatment used depends on the kind of cancer you have and your overall health. It also depends on how big the tumor is and whether the cancer has spread. Thank you for using Explain.